Hello little learners. Today we are going to meet zoo animals. Let's start. First one is monkey. 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 Second one is elephant. 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 Third one is zebra. 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 Fourth one is lion. 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 Fifth one is tiger. 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 Sixth one is bear. 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 Seventh one is giraffe. 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 Eighth one is crocodile. 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 Ninth one is kangaroo. 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 Last one is hippopotamus. 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 Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe Vital Learning Care YouTube channel. Bye bye kids.